Oil and NG both trading bullish right now at 88.2 and close to $9 levels respectively. Now what is going to happen today, which position you should take in order to make profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. First we'll look into US crude followed with NG. Do watch till the end, do listen to it. Now look at oil. It has created a base first at 86, then 86.5, now at 87.7. And yes, till the time it trades above these levels, possibility of it to rise exists. At the same time, one must not forget that it is giving you lower highs and hence only bullishness can be expected if it tries to trade above $89 levels today. Be watchful of 89. On the downside 87.5, on the upside 89. These two levels you should mark out for. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic on the hourly charts is overbought. MACD has just crossed over. It is divergent and it is still showing bullishness. RSI looking upwards. On the 2-hour charts too. See, first thing is four candles getting the resistance at around 89 and 89.5. Now it indicates that there is a strong resistance there and that is why we had got a pushback on the downside, but at the same time it has got the support trying to trade with a little bullishness. This is also to cool down the indicators or to bring the indicators to a comfort level so that it can again start with the bearish move. But at the same time, if it breaks any of these levels either on the upside or on the downside, we can confirm that it is giving you a breakout. So what could be a good indication of oil giving breakout on the upside? Yes, if it trades above $90 levels, you can expect that we may see it hitting 91 and 92 levels, and above 92 we can expect that we may see little more bullishness in oil and then it will fly. Yes, you can go long at 89 itself, rather I will say 89.2. You can go long at 89.2, expect 89.5 as the little resistance, $90 as the next target. Then 91 and 92 will come into picture. Beyond 92 it will fly a little. On the downside, yes, you can go short at 87.5. Then below 87.5 expect it to drop a little. 87 good support, 86.5 good support, 86 is a good support, 85.5 is a good support. Trading below 85.5 we can expect it to drop for 84, 82 and below levels. Those who did not watch my weekly analysis must watch that. There is much more depth in detail. It is explained why lower levels can be expected in US crude. Directional movement willing to cross over for a bullish move. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD divergent and bullish here. RSI looking upwards. And on the 3-hour charts, same lower high, higher lows. And if you look at lower highs, so it is trying to confine its movement within these levels. Directional movement bearish, trying to converge crossover. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD divergent bullish. RSI looking upwards. And on the 4-hour chart too, it is giving the same indication here. And that is why I say in between 87.5 and in between 89 do not trade, rather I will say 89.2 do not trade. In between these levels you have to be very cautious. Directional movement bearish, willing to cross over. Stochastic again reversing for a bullish move. MACD has crossed over and it is divergent. This is the bullish cross. I will be cautious how it behaves in this bullish zone. If it continues to diverge, it may give you very strong bullish candle and continue to diverge. RSI looking upwards here. On the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. 4 red candles and diminishing body size. It means the bearishness is diminishing. That is clear. The support it has taken from 86 is strong. Multiple candles either got reflected from 86.5, 86 or 85.5. So multiple candles getting reversed from these levels indicates that there is a strong support zone at this level, and breaching only below these levels it will call for a stronger drop. Till that time you can find out. You see it is trying to trade with a flat bottom and higher highs are getting created, indicating bullishness there. So yes, for the day also if you find out, higher lows are getting created here and now it is trying to trade with higher highs on the upside. $90 levels are going to remain a good resistance there on the upside. Directional movement bearish here. trading with divergence. Stochastic is oversold. MACD has crossed over and it is divergent and it is on the sell side. And if you look at the RSI, this is looking upwards. Also today is the OPEC meeting. We must be waiting for the outcome of the OPEC meeting. However, on the charts it shows that yes, you can expect a little bullishness. You can expect that one may remain bullish, or one can buy at around 88.6 levels. Beyond that, 89.2 is the 89 is the first target. 89.2, in between this there is a little resistance. Then 89.5 and 90. $90 levels is something you should watch out for. Only and only if it trades above 90, it may show a little bullishness. Then 91, 92 levels will come into picture. For the day, you should watch out for 89, 89.2, 90, and beyond that we may see bullishness for 91, 92, and then 93.5, 94 levels. Beyond that we have levels at 95, 96, which it must sustain above. If it sustains above this level, one can remain long term bullish and one can expect 110, 120 levels also again. On the downside, we can go short. Was the weekly analysis, we can go short here at 87.5. Expect 87.87 as the first target, 86.5, 86, 85.5. Below 85.5, if it breaks, we can expect 84, 82, 80. Watch my weekly analysis. I have an expectation that we may see it dropping below $80, but then before that it can try to retrace a bit on the upside before it tries to drop. The long term target for this month can be expected at around 70 to 75 levels, but these are markets beyond you and me. A breakout on the upside or on the downside above 84 and 100, in out of this zone between 85 and 100, definitely should call for more stronger moves either on the upside or the downside. Take your positions accordingly. Today, go long at 88.6, go long, go short below 87.5, be cautious of 90, be cautious of 86. Take your trades accordingly. Trade profitably, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at NG. And yes, if you want to learn this art of reading the markets carefully, taking right entries and right exits, do not miss to take this opportunity to join my mentorship batch. Definitely the strategy short will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Do reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description, and in my free Telegram channel ID you will definitely get much more information. Also, be a part of my Patreon group. Join the Patreon page, and there you will get all the updates and signals out there. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at NG here. NG has given a gap up. It has seen a good rise and now trying to trade with a drop. Now I have seen 9.15 giving it a good resistance. I have seen multiple traders just trading the news. They have confirmed. I had spoken to multiple people in last couple of days stating that Nord Stream 1 has been stopped. Russia has stopped it. Gazprom is not starting it, and then the gas prices may rise. Remember, if it would be so easy, everybody would have traded the news and everybody would have profited today. So we have to be very cautious. Yes, it can reverse any point of time, and hence while taking the positions, be very cautious. So yes, see, it has seen the highs, it has given a gap up, and now it is trying to trade with a drop. Very clearly it appears 8.95 giving it a good resistance. Below 8.95 you can remain short. I will look forward to 8.9 as a good support, and below that we can expect it to fall more for 8.8, 8.75 levels. Be watchful of 8.75. If it trades below 8.75, it will call for the more bearishness. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD has crossed over, and this is a bullish cross. It is trading in green. RSI trading flat with little bullish bias. On the 2-hour charts, likewise, it is retraced smaller candles trying to reverse. On the upside, you can go long if you wish. You can go long at around 9.02 levels. Beyond that, you can again expect 9.1, and beyond that, it will fly for 9.15, 9.2. Remember, 9.2, if it breaks, then we can call for more bullishness there. Directional movement moderately bearish on the 2-hour charts. Stochastic comfortable. MACD is bearish here, and it is trying to convert. So it was extremely bearish. Now it is trying to trade in a comfortable level. RSI trading flat, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, See on the 3-hour charts, it has got a stronger pullback. Double top is done at 9.15, trying to trade with a little drop. Yes, if you see it trading above 9.02, you can go long there, but then expect 9.05, 9.1 and 9.15, these three levels, and then 9.2. Only sustaining above 9.2, you can confirm the bullishness, else we can see it dropping below this zone, which is below 8.9. You can definitely expect it to drop more. So in fact, you can take a short entry at 8.95, expect 8.9 as a good support, and below 8.9 we can expect it to drop for 8.8, 8.6 levels. Directional movement bearish here. Stochastic comfortable, it is looking upwards. MACD is bearish so far, it is trying to trade with little divergence. RSI trading flat. And on the 4-hour charts, double top is done. The resistance there at 9.2, 9.25 is very strong. Only if it sustains above this zone, you can confirm that NG is going to fly high. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic is coming out looking upwards. MACD is bearish, it is trying to trade flat. RSI trading flat. And on the daily charts, you will find there, see what it has done so far. Lower highs, lower lows, so it is trading in a bearish channel. Remember this fact, it is trading in a bearish channel. Any breakout above this zone at 9.25, you can consider more bullishness. You can expect it to fly for 9.5 and above levels. Till the time it sustains this level, possibility of it to drop again exists, and this time it can try to achieve these levels 8.6, below which you can expect more bearishness. So yes, you can go short today at around 8.95, and then below that you can expect 8.9 as a good support, 8.82 as a good support, and then 8.75. If it breaks below 8.75, you can remain short for 8.6 and below levels. And on the upside, you can go long at 9.02. Above 9.02, you can expect 9.05, 9.1 and 9.2, 9.25. Watch out for these two levels till 9.2, 9.25. Possibility for it to reverse and drop exists very strong. First watch out for 9 and then 9.1 and then 9.225. Till the time it trades in between this, you have to trade with a stop loss. You have to trail your stop loss, and you have to always keep shifting your stop loss to cost and to the next milestone, as what I have shared in this analysis. Either close your trades in profit, either shift the stop loss to cost or the targets, first target, second target accordingly, or either just trade the stop loss till it trades below 9.2, 9.25. You have to be very cautious, and on the downside till it trades above 8.6, you have to be very cautious with the shorts also. In between this, be very cautious with your trades, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.